Hey friends, if you wish to fix ene.sys driver error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to disable memory integrity. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now, go to the Device Security tab and select Core Isolation. Make sure that memory integrity is off. The next solution is to roll back the most recent update, because what happens is that updates actually cause the problem. So if you encountered it immediately after an update, then the first solution will be to roll back that update. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options and then select update history, and then select uninstall updates, and then select uninstall and click on uninstall for the latest update. After this, I will suggest you to update all the drivers. How? Go back to the Windows Update page, click on advanced options, select optional updates, and then if you find any update here, then install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.